Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Warren with the Linda Library, and today we're going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Look at the pointing game happening. Gerald! And here comes Piggy. Boing, boing. What do you want to do today? I want, Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Off goes Piggy. Boing! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Sproing! There goes Piggy again. Gerald says, I cannot snop snee. Achoo! Sproing! Poor Piggy's getting thrown everywhere. Sneezing. Oh no! What do you think the oh no is? What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! Whee! There goes Piggy flying up into the sky. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh, that's so sad. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Aww. But, Gerald... No, do not speak. It is too late. Look at that face. Piggy's like, nope. Piggy puts a helmet on. Choo! Goodbye. Gerald! Gerald goes. Looks like we have a kitty cat doctor. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Cat says, Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! And the cat goes, flying up into the air. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. What is the cat checking? What's Dr. Cat got in his hand? It's a thermometer. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Gerald's like, I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
Gerald looks so excited. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor.
First time I've heard somebody thank a doctor because they said they're sick.
Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold!
Look over here at Piggy.
Good for you.
What do we know about colds? You can share them. All right. And that was Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willem. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day.